Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our radio station's cultural segment, where we aim to explore the rich tapestry of American traditions. Today, we'll delve into the iconic American anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, a symbol of national unity and resilience. For our international listeners interested in American culture, let's explore the lyrics together. As the sun rises, can you envision the sight of a proud nation's triumph in the fading twilight, with broad stripes and stars, proudly in the fight, above our watchful walls, courageously alight. Amidst rockets' crimson glare and bombs in the air, through the night, our flag stood tall and fair. So tell me, does that star-spangled banner still wave, o'er the land of freedom and the home of the brave? Alright, now let's break down the details of each line from the Star-Spangled Banner, for those interested in understanding the meaning behind the lyrics. As the sun rises, can you envision the sight? This line paints a picture of a new day dawning, symbolizing hope and a fresh start. Of a proud nation's triumph in the fading twilight, it signifies the pride and sense of accomplishment felt by the nation as darkness gives way to light. It can also be interpreted as a metaphor for overcoming challenges. With broad stripes and stars, proudly in the fight, refers to the American flag, which is adorned with broad stripes and stars, representing the states. It highlights the nation's resolve and determination to face any challenges or conflicts. Above our watchful walls, courageously alight, this line evokes the imagery of the flag flying high above the nation's defenses and signifies the bravery and vigilance of the people who protect and defend their country. Amidst rockets' crimson glare and bombs in the air, depicts a scene of warfare, emphasizing the perilous nature of the conflict and the resilience of the American people in the face of danger. Through the night, our flag stood tall and fair, illustrates that even in the midst of adversity, the American flag remained steadfast and unwavering, representing the endurance and strength of the nation. So tell me, does that star-spangled banner still wave? Poses a question, asking whether the flag, with its stars and stripes, continues to fly proudly, symbolizing the endurance of the American spirit. Or the land of freedom and the home of the brave, concludes the anthem by emphasizing the ideals of freedom and bravery, which are integral to the American identity. These lyrics capture the resilience, courage, and patriotic spirit of the American people throughout history. Understanding the imagery and symbolism helps to appreciate the anthem's significance within American culture. Written by Francis Scott Key during the War of 1812, this anthem, set to the melody of "To Anacreon in Heaven," became the official national anthem of the United States in 1931. For those who want to truly appreciate the anthem, I encourage you to seek out recordings or videos that showcase its powerful melody and rhythm. Immerse yourself in the spirit of this cherished American tradition. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this has sparked some reflection and inspiration for our listeners. Stay tuned for more stories right here on our radio station. Have a wonderful day.